So what are checked exceptions and what are unchecked exceptions? Remember, the top class of all classes, all exception classes is a throwable. It has a child class is exception. Of course, another child class is there, error. Anyway, we are not working with error. To this exception class, there is a child class of called runtime exception. And what all the child classes of runtime exceptions like arithmetic exception, number format exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception, all these, what are the child classes of runtime exception class are called unchecked exceptions. And unchecked exceptions handling is optional. If you want to handle, right, or if you don't want to handle, you can leave it. Handling is completely optional. And here, what are the child classes which are not childs of runtime exception, like IO exception, file not found exception, SQL exception, which are not child classes of runtime exception, are called checked exceptions. A very important point is checked exceptions need to be handled. Need to be handled. If you don't handle, the compiler will raise the error message. You must handle. You must handle this checked exception. Child classes of runtime exception are called unchecked exceptions. The class which is not the child of runtime exception is called checked exception.